Took us an hour, but we made it. Open water over there, open water over there. We're in about 25 foot. Get set up. Let's do it. Is it a big mark?
Yeah.
I haven't even gotten set up yet, dude.
Alright, what's the date today? December 27th, 2022. Oneida Lake.
First ice.
First ice.
25 feet.
Yeah. Right on the money.
There's a mark.
Yeah. There we go. Hooked up. One on the board.
Big perch.
Beautiful.
7:20 in the morning. It's a good start.
First fish.
Good start, kiddo.
Beautiful. All hooked up again.
Can't even get down there yet. So
Not sure what it is. The walleye.
Little walleye. Here, let me. I'm gonna get that released so I can put that on the reel. Cute. I'd say there's 3.
3?
Yeah, 3.5.
Oh, there's a lot more than yesterday. Oh yeah. Yeah, we gained over an inch overnight. You got one?
Yep. Head shaking.
Oh, nice perch.
Slot perch. Another big jumbo.
Beautiful.
To start the day. I didn't even feel that perch bite.
No.
Not even a little bit. Oh man, dude. Can you teach me how to fish? It's 2 in a row.
I got this fish in 6 feet of water. 6 feet below us.
There we go. Another perch.
Dude, I can see this fish. It's cool.
Dude, big perch.
Oh, we're on perch, dude. I gotta switch.
What are you gonna switch to?
I might throw on a tungsten jig.
Yeah.
Or just switch the way I'm fishing for the perch.
It makes 3 to start. There we go. I think we're on the perch today, dude.
Are we?
I'm thinking so. Oh, that's a little walleye. At least we know they're down there too. First walleye through the ice for me this year.
Oh, you got 2 perch on me already? I only got 1?
Seems that way.
I don't know, a little slower than last night, dude. A little bit. You got him?
Yeah. I think it's another perch.
Might be.
It's not big. Where's another little walleye? Dude, another little walleye. Need about 8 more inches on you. Our little guy. Nothing big yet, Ryan.
No.
No. Dude,
That's a small walleye.
that's 4 little walleye, man. At least they're in here, you know?
Yeah, they're here, but big ones ain't.
I think there's 2 on me. Another one coming up too. Come on, man. There was just 4 marks. You're telling me none of them want to eat? And
Gone.
a lot of marks today. Not as aggressive as yesterday. I was not here yesterday, but Ryan fished here yesterday afternoon, and he said it was pretty hectic. What was that bite like compared to today?
Yeah, it was phenomenal. I lost my Oneida PB right at the hole. Buddy Tom and I, we both limited 2 jack perch to go along with it.
So 10 walleye yesterday for him, and pretty much the exact same hole here.
Yeah, about 5 foot away.
So, I mean, they're here. It's just a matter of them being aggressive. We've had plenty of marks. I'd say we probably only got 30-40% of the marks to take, but it's early. We'll get on him. Dude, he's right on it.
Yeah, they get to that and they just stop.
That's why I was trying to be slow with it. I didn't want to take him all the way
Yeah,
up.
sometimes you get them up and then
Yeah.
it depends. If they start going real fast, sometimes they miss it because you'll slow down and they'll miss it. And,
Yeah.
or sometimes you want to slow down and just give it a few taps. No rhyme or reason to these fish. They just...
Different every time.
Yeah.
We're in 25 foot and we're having them come up to 10 feet here. Even some, Ryan had one up to like 6.
Yeah,
But,
I can about see them.
damn, man. A lot of fish down there right now.
Tough bite today. That's what we're using today. We got a black and gold flaked rot jaw made by Lakeside Outfitters.
Right underneath me.
There you
That's a good fish.
Better?
Now that I'm feeling them, maybe not. Oh, it's a good walleye though.
Oh, I think he might just be a short. It's better.
Dude, we worked that fish for what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, easily. Tough bite today.
So yeah, here on Oneida, it's different than most lakes. It's got to be 15. He's gonna be close.
He's short. Half inch too short.
14 and a half. Unfortunate, but they are getting bigger, so that's good to know.
Oh.
Just a little update on the ice. There's open water right there, and there's also some open water over there. So it's not the safest conditions, but we spudded our way out here. We still have 4.5 inches where we are. So we're gonna keep fishing. Right, Ryan?
Absolutely.
Oh, it's a slob. I thought it was another little walleye. Jeez, that's a big perch. We haven't caught anything or even marked a fish in a good 45 minutes, but that's another hog perch. Came in by itself. Added to the bucket. Well, the cameras weren't rolling. Another short. I don't know what it is today, but nothing with any good size yet. That's okay. I mean, we're going to keep at it, but it's a little frustrating. Definitely. Oh, definitely a better fish. Oh, good walleye, good walleye, good walleye. Put me out. Nice. That's a fatty, let's go. Dude,
Beautiful.
That's a fat walleye.
That's what we're out here for.
That's what we've been waiting for all morning, man. The bite has been so slow. It's been pretty depressing, man, but we got him. Hey, look at me. Yeah, 9:31. So yeah, we have been pretty slow today, but that really makes me happy right there. Fatty, going in the bucket. Oh, that's all right. I got it rolling. We're on again with another solid fish here. It's kind of been hectic. We just put that other walleye in the bucket, and he came off. No, that was a good walleye. Like I said, it was really hectic. I didn't really have any time, and I tried to get that camera rolling, and that's my own fault. instead of fighting the fish, I was trying to get the camera going.
Yeah.
You got to switch to a clown if you got it, I guess.
Yeah, I got one.
Damn.
Let me make the switch. That was a solid, probably another keeper.
That felt really good, man.
It looked good.
Did you see it?
Yeah. Might be one of them days.
All the fish that we saw in the morning, we saw a lot more fish, but they just weren't that aggressive.
No, they weren't hungry.
These, they're on the screen for a half a second and they're already on you.
Yep.
Man, that hurts, man.
It does hurt, dude. That hurts. It's alright, we'll make it. We'll make it up.
Oh, I got one coming up again. Another mark coming up. There we go.
There we go. Solid fish.
Feels good. Definitely not as good as the last one. I'm not gonna lie.
We can land this one.
He's coming up. Another walleye. Let's go, baby.
That'll keep.
That'll
Absolutely.
keep. All right, we're getting into him. You better get down there,
You
Chief.
get tied up.
So we got another one. Oh, thanks. Hardly hooked. And I'm not gonna show off too much. You want to get right back down there? Thank you.
I got you.
Who would have guessed it? 9:30, they start to come in. I don't think I would have.
No rhyme or reason to these fish.
No idea. Another mark down there. Another mark down there. Got one. That's not the original one though. Doesn't feel that big. Little walleye. Is he still on you?
Don't know what they want, dude. Oh, it's frustrating, man.
Yeah, that was a bigger mark too. But he inhaled that one. It's so weird because some of them are so finicky and then others are on the screen for a half a second. There's really no rhyme or reason like my buddy Ryan's been saying.
Hooked up.
There you go.
Little guy.
Little guy.
I think so. Yeah, short.
Damn. You can technically call that a double up though.
Close.
Doubled up for the audience. There he goes. Right into the hole.
Not the release we want, but it's the release we got.
Hey, you got a walleye. It's been a couple hours.
Yeah. He took right off too. More down there.
Yep. I would be filming those releases too, but I want to get back down there.
Yeah, absolutely.
He's racing it. There you go.
Oh, let's film this. This is a good fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a hog, baby.
Right out the hole. Just
Don't scare us like that.
back in the hole.
Don't scare us like that. Right back in the bucket.
Beautiful.
You got the jigging wrap in the shanty. Just the way we drew it up. It's a good walleye, Rye.
Keeper.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Number 3 keeper on the day.
The measuring stick, yeah. 15 and a half. Oh yeah, almost 16. Beautiful.
Dang. Oh, what a huge walleye. Fish of the day. Give me some. Give me some.